Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today I thought of making a festive look for teenagers that does not involve high-end products or even drugstore products. So this look is going to be a very pocket-friendly look. It's going to be all basic. But before that, I would request you all to kindly subscribe to my channel and hit like if you like my content and wish to see more of it. So let's quickly get into the video. So I'm going to start on a clean and dry face by moisturizing it. I'm going to use a Nivea moisturizer. It retails for just 45 rupees. It's really pocket friendly. Next I'll be using Wow Aloe Vera Gel just to prime my face. For my base, I'll be using Lakme 95cc cream and I'm gonna dot it around my face. I know this CC cream is quite light for my skin tone, but if you're close to my skin tone, then honey would be the right shade for you. And I'm gonna work this out for myself. To powder my face, I'll be using Lakme Rose Powder. This powder retails for 110 rupees and it gives you sheer coverage. It can also be used as a loose powder. For lipstick, I'll be using the Elle 18 Rosy Blush. It retails for around 75 rupees. I'll be using the same lipstick as my blush and my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna blend it out using my fingers. I'm also going to mattify my lipstick using a baby powder. And for liner, I'll be using the Elle 18 kajal and I'm going to line my eyes. For mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'm going to use the leftover mascara onto my brows and just brush it through. So I don't need a brow powder for it. And my look is complete. I really hope you all enjoyed watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.